Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ETS21. That was an amazing conversation between Brian and Mark. It's great to hear about all the work and the plans and strategy from Duke Energy there. And now we have a really exclusive sneak peek. It's from Jorge Ortiz. He's a director of XR at Froliq, that's Zpryme's XR, and they've been doing some amazing work. I'm super excited. This is my first time I'll actually be seeing this demo, and we're going to take a look at transmission line repair training in VR. And so with that, I'm going to turn it over to Jorge Ortiz. Jorge, it's all yours.
Thanks, Jason, and thanks for that introduction. Yes, we do have an exclusive. This is, if you've been following Froliq for a while, we've been doing a lot of VR experiences with the pandemic. We changed into AR so that we can actually push these experiences into the user's mobile devices. But there was always a place in our heart for VR because it's just so immersive. It's not like watching a movie, it's like being in a movie. But you know, one of the things that was considered was, with safety in mind, we couldn't do VR. And in the same, with the same logic, it's a dangerous thing to train for transmission lines. So we thought, well, maybe we can use virtual reality in order to make the training a little bit more accessible. So what we're gonna do is show live the VR experience, me inside a headset and you looking at what I'm looking at. And that's gonna be fun. I do need to share my screen, so I'm going to do that real quick. I'll share my computer sound so that you can hear the experience as it's happening. So if all is correct, you can see my presentation right now. You might hear some background music, but that's okay. So we're gonna do transmission line repair in virtual reality. That's me, like Jason introduced, and Froliq is our company that does VR and XR. Transmission line repair. So there's a lot of different actions that have to happen safely for a transmission line repair. Some of it is planning, the transportation to the transmission line, especially the high voltage transmission lines that tower several hundred meters above the ground. It's difficult. Usually you have to use an aircraft. There's the safety gear and the methodology to actually be safe in the gear. And then when you actually get to the transmission tower, what do you inspect? What do you repair? What components do you replace? So without that, I'm not gonna do a huge presentation. I only have 6 slides. One of these is just preparing myself for the demo. Actually, you can hear me. Controller checked. Here. Headset. I will need to move my computer chair out of the way. It's nice. And all of those now. So I'm just gonna go through this experience. There's plenty of audio description in the experience, so I probably won't be saying much. So here we go.
You're early. Good. We have a lot of work today. I left your headset over there in your favorite tree stump. Put it on so we can keep chatting. Okay, check. 1, 2. Sweet. Seems like we're good on comms. Well, safety first. Collect your protective gear. You know, helmet, glasses, gloves. Oh yeah, and your Faraday cage suit. You can put the rest of your gear on later. Grab your tools while I get ready to rumble. don't forget the line spacers. Seems like you're all set. Wait by the clearing. Coming to get you. Okay, see you. Hey, check out my fidget spinner. Getting ready for landing. You know what they say, never stand in a shadow that's getting bigger. So give me some space, will ya? Hey, have you heard this one? What did the helicopter pilot say when she landed on the football field? Touchdown! What did the helicopter pilot eat for lunch? Chopped salad. Okay, coming in for a better landing than those jokes just did. So, ready to do the world's most dangerous job? I promise I'm a better pilot than I am a comedian. You never disappoint. Slide the door and put your gear on. Let's kick the tires and light the fires. Check out that sky today, huh? No traffic on this commute. It's gonna be fun out there today. Don't be nervous. I'm happy to take you under my wing and show you how things are done. Again with the jokes, I'm so sorry. I can't help it. Gonna head over to Transmission Tower 241A. Runway? We don't need runways. I'm gonna set you right on the roof. We're stable and you're hooked up to the chopper. All set for jump. Better get going. I don't have all day, you know. Okay now, clamp yourself to the tower. Good. Set up the ladder. Time to climb down. Be careful out there. Got a GPS signal. Awesome. Now we don't have to come back to check for rust. Let the drones handle that. Climb that ladder of success and get back up here. hang on tight there. We'll be there before you can say Bartlett's bisection theorem 3 times fast. This time, I'll position you on the wires. Why don't you use your magic wand to cast a spell on that power line there? Okay, now the clamp. Hook us up. You can leave the wand on the floor. You'll need it later for departure. Time to get on those wires. Show me what you got. Nice moves. Now pull yourself forward into position. I was researching about the wand and the clamp. Did you know that we didn't discharge? AC current from the lines is still flowing through my chopper right now. And through you, too. But current flows through that Faraday cage suit you're wearing instead of your skin. Shocking, I know. Time to put those spacers up. 1 per pair of wires. Have at it. We're all set. That wind won't be bothering those wires anymore. Head back over here and let's call it a day. Wasn't that cool? This work really gets me charged up every day. I must run on electricity. Actually, I think I run on solar power. I love a good sunny day. In any case, my friends tell me they don't know where all my energy comes from. I think I'm just so excited about the work we get to do out here. Aren't you? Almost ready to go. Set that wand on the line again. For your next and final trick, you'll perform the amazing feat of removing the clamp. Okay, magic show's over. Take out that wand. We're back in the air. They say we have a dangerous job. When you challenge gravity to a fight, it never loses. The best you can hope for is a draw. But we've got one of the best gravity fighting machines out there. You did a great job out there, and I'll sure do mine too. Nice to have you on the crew. You know, after a day in the skies and on the lines, the rest of the crew and I like to go to this place that has the most delicious wings. Would you like to join us?
Okay. So hopefully that was pretty entertaining. What we did was set it up for more of a storytelling version so that you don't actually have to go through the training when we show this experience to people. And yes, besides that, we have other additional apps that we do here in Froliq. Some of them are VR, some of them are augmented reality, and we'll just quickly show them over here. Some of us, one of the apps in VR, these are all VR apps, are charging electric vehicles, doing community outreach to say, hey, electric vehicles are here to stay. This is how you charge them. It's not that different from a gas vehicle. We have storytelling about how electricity is generated. Then we also have another training app about how to use a bucket truck, also to, focused towards linemen. And finally, we have more entertaining type of things that we use for events and such, like the LED light bulb challenge, teaching people how to save electricity while saving money. The AR apps we also have on mobile devices, smartphones. So you are able to download some of them from the Google and iOS app stores. We have CPS Energy doing community outreach, saying, hey, we're doing our best to be able to show you what we do here with all the electrical generation and how it actually gets to your home. On the other hand, we also have like asteroid shooters for just like gamification. Last ETS20, a year ago, it's been a while, we did a live virtual group selfie where everybody was an astronaut to match the theme of the event. And finally, one app that's coming on to out of a beta stage is something that we're doing in order to target middle schoolers on, how do you actually manage resources if you're building a city in order to control pollution, control electricity use, and make sure that your city keeps on running. So that's all I have for you. Hopefully you got entertained by the app experience. We have a lot of other things to offer, which I'm not gonna show you right now. I think the apps speak by themselves. And if you wanna see the apps and videos like the ones you just saw, go over to our Froliq website where we have all sorts of different videos set up for you. Otherwise, you can contact me personally at my email address. And thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your session.